Hi, hello, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Law Made Simple with me Vidyariti. Today in the series of company law, let us learn what is Memorandum of Association, what is the importance of Memorandum of Association. In the previous certificate of incorporation, we have learned what are the documents to be filed for registration. In that, the basic document which is required is Memorandum of Association. Let us get deep into the topic. Let's get started. Memorandum of Association is the basic document of the company, also called the charter of the company, and it defines the scope of its activities. A memorandum of association has rights, privileges, and powers of the company. It is a foundation on which the structure of the company stands, and it prescribes the name of the company, its registered office, its capital. It defines and confines the scope of the activity of the company. It governs the relationship of the company with the outside world. Its purpose is to enable the shareholders, creditors, and those who deal with the company to know what exactly its permitted range of enterprise is. So, Memorandum of Association has all the complete details of the company. It is the basic document. It is the foundation stone where a company has started. What is the name of the company? Where is its registered office? What is its capital share? Everything, all the information is provided under MOA. Let us get into the definition of MOA. As per section 2 clause 56 of the Companies Act 2013, memorandum means memorandum of association of a company as originally framed or as altered from time to time in pursuance of any previous company law of this act. As per section 4 of the Companies Act 2013, a memorandum covers some essentials. What are the clauses present in the Memorandum of Association? The first one is the name clause. It is usually written in the opening paragraph of the articles. It states the name under which the company functions. It states whether the company is a private limited company or a public limited company. What are the key points to remember while choosing the name of the company? It should have a unique name and not identical to an existing company. It should not have any offensive words, connotations, or sensitive expressions that may offend any cultural or religious community. It should not indicate a connection with the government or local authorities unless you have permission to do so. So these are all the things which have to be included under name clause. And what is the situation clause? This clause means the state in which the company has its registered office. If the future demands changing of the registered office address, then the same must be updated in this situation clause. The third clause is the object clause. This clause defines the purpose of the company formation. This is usually not altered or changed. Hence, the drafting of this clause is very crucial and should be done with precision and expertise. The company cannot carry on any activities that is not part of the object clause of MOA. Such activities are called ultra vires and cannot be ratified even by the members. For example, if we say that if a company is formed for selling food products and if we sell some other merchandise like clothing, then it is out of the object clause. So it is ultra wide. So it cannot be ratified by the members. The next clause is the liability clause. This clause states the liability of the members of the company. It can be either limited by the shares or guarantees. So, in the companies, we have already defined the kinds of companies. We have two different types based on the liability. We have limited company limited by shares and company limited by guarantee. So, in the MOA itself, whether it is a limited company or unlimited company, it is mentioned. And capital clause. This clause specifies the maximum amount of capital a company can raise along with its distribution into the shares. The company can only secure a specified capital amount mentioned in this clause. Any special rights or privileges given to the shareholders are also mentioned here. The next clause is the subscription clause. This clause has the names, addresses, and details of its first subscribers. A private limited company needs at least 2 members and the public limited company needs at least minimum of 7 members. So it is mandatory for all the first subscribers to take at least 1 share. So these are all the clauses required which are to be mentioned in the Memorandum of Association, which is the base of the basic document of the company. Coming to the importance of MOA. The Memorandum of Association is an important document of an organization which plays a significant and vital role. It is not only important for the company but also important for the shareholders and every person who deals with the company. So what is written in that memorandum is the basis. It is the basis of the company. And a company can't get registered if without this basic document. What is the basic document? This Memorandum of Association. If it is not there, there is no registration of the company cannot be incorporated. The next one is it determines the company's scope. So it lays down the scope of the company's activities which they perform, and the company cannot go beyond that. And source of the company's power. It also defines the company's power and helps the company members to work accordingly. And guide to directors. It serves as a guide to the directors of the company. It guides them to work for achieving the objectives of the company and restrains them from doing anything beyond the MOA. And it protects the investors, because memorandum protects the interest of the investors, because there is a risk when the person invests money as a share in the company. So it details a clear cut idea about the complete Memorandum of Association. What is it regarding? Whether it is regarding to the limited by shares, limited by guarantee, what is the capital invested, where is its office located, what is the name, what is it going to do, what is the scope, what are the powers, everything, each and everything is written in the Memorandum of Association. That is the reason people invest in money according to its transparency. So this is all the importance of Memorandum of Association, which is the basic document required for incorporation of company. As such, we have come to the end of the session. It's riddle time. Please answer the riddle in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.